Hello students, today we will discuss types of bryophytes. Bryophytes classification. Okay, so it is divided into three classes, that is Hepaticopsida, Anthroceropsida and Bryopsida. This I have told you. Now today we will discuss in detail. Okay, so first is Hepaticopsida. Bryophyte में Hepaticopsida, that is known as hepat means liver na, तो or you can say liverworts. Okay, same thing. This I have told you. So examples are Riccia and Marcantia. So what are the examples in this? Riccia and Marcantia. Before this, I would like to show the diagram of Marcantia, how it's actually look. See, so this is Marcantia, okay? And these are gamma cups in thallus. And this is Marcantia with anthridiophore. Okay, you are able to see rhizoids and anthridiophore which bears anthridium. Okay, so it's actually looks like same for, and just like anthridiophore you can also see archegoniophore. This is archegoniophore, rhizoids, gamma cups you are able to see. Okay, so now we will discuss if diagram is necessary so that you can study in detail. And this is Riccia. So you are able to see rhizoids, ventral side, ventral scales and thallus, apical notch. So this is actually looks, this is what actually looks Riccia. Okay. So coming, we will discuss Hepaticopsida, liverworts. It is thalloid. It is a thallus. It is a most primitive one. Okay. So it is the most primitive one, and thallus is dorsiventral. So examples we have done. Second is, it is a primitive one, write down, and thallus, thalloid structure, body is thalloid and it shows dichotomously branch. Very important point. Dichotomously branch. Dichotomously branch means birds are divided into two equal branches. Okay, and they are dorsiventral flattened. This you have seen in diagram, the structure you have seen. Okay, one more thing, they are unicellular rhizoids. You have seen in diagram, root like structure is rhizoid but is unicellular and unbranched. Unicellular unbranched rhizoids. So example we have done Riccia and Marcantia. So what does it act? First we will discuss the Riccia. So actually it is grooves. ओके यहाँ पे ग्रूव है एंड इट इज डॉर्सल साइड एंड दिस इज वेंट्रल साइड with scales. Okay, it is scales and scales are violet because of presence of anthocyanin. And it is rhizoids. And what else? Ventral, and it form a rosette form. Okay, rosette form is what? So another thallus will grow like this, and again it will grow like this. So it will form it look like rosette look. So this is all about Riccia. And one more thing, it is monoecious. Riccia is monoecious. Monoecious means male and female reproductive on the same thallus. Male and female on the same thallus. Okay, here it is also groups. ठीक है, here it also group. It is dorsal side, ventral side में scales होता है, violet color. It is monoecious, means male and female on the same thallus. Its form a rosette look. Next we will discuss Marchantia. About Marchantia, it's like the thallus is somewhat ribbon like. Okay, ribbon like. Okay, and they have gamma cup. It is dorsal. Okay, and it is ventral. So dorsal side में हम लोग को gamma cup दिखेगा. And from here a leaf like structure will come which is known as gamy. So it is gamma cup. And the leaf like structure is known as gamy. And here again I will draw scales. Ventral sides में scales. These are scales. Okay, and Marchantia have important one more property. Elaters is there, dispersal of spores. Okay, where should I write? And it show dioecious. Okay, it is dioecious. इसमें क्या होता है, मेल एंड फीमेल ऑन डिफरेंट थैलस, और तुम लोग ईजिली डिस्टिंग्विश, यू आर एबल टू डिस्टिंग्विश ईजिली. ये अभी मैंने डायग्राम में दिखाया था. मेल एंड फीमेल on different thallus. Okay, so how the actual diagrams look like? Here it is central disc, ये Markantia का बता रहे, okay, and there is 9 lobes radiating, 1 2 3 4 5 6, okay, this is what antheridio 4. Bearing antheridium, okay, that is antherozoids is present here. Again here central disc is there, but it will be long and cylinder. 9 lobes will also be here, but it will be long and cylinder. It is long and cylinder. It is known as gonio, archegonio 4, bearing archegonia, that is egg. It is female. Okay, so actual where I have shown this, I have shown now here. Look at this diagram. Okay, and one more important thing about it, that Markantia have elaters. Have elaters for dispersal of spores, okay, and it also sporophyte पाया जाता है इसमें spores से. Let me write down sporophyte, completely parasitic, completely parasitic sporophyte. ये मार्केंटिया के बारे में, ठीक है. सो थैलस इसमें क्या रहता है, डॉर्सो वेंट्री फ्लैटन रहता है, डाइकोटोमसली ब्रांच होते हैं, ठीक है, यूनिसेलुलर राइजोइड्स होते हैं, एंड स्केल्स आर मल्टी सेलुलर. ओके, स्केल्स आर मल्टी सेलुलर एंड स्पोरोफाइट completely parasitic होते हैं, एंड दे मोस्टली अकर इन मॉइस्ट शेडी हैबिटेट्स. ओके, रिक्शिया रोजेट फॉर्म, डॉर्सल साइड्स एंड वेंट्रल में स्केल्स प्रेजेंट होते हैं. मार्केंटियर रिबन लाइक, gamma cup on dorsal side, scales on ventral side. It is antherido 4 and it is archegonio 4. Okay, so this is all about the structure.